again. That's fine. That's good. Huh.
Here. That's a pull this up.
What?
Don't overpull it.
What's up?
Pull it.
That good? Lock. All the wires are clear.
Really needed to get a little more angle.
No, because this thing should pull it out straight. It's weird how the fog lights are in the middle underneath of it. What are you hooking it under?
In the car. Hold on.
Dude, there is something living under this fucking car.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pretty strong car.
Huh.
Looks like it ain't going
I
nowhere.
had to dig it out.
I don't think there's a hole in it anymore.
Huh?
It's buried in, look.
Okay.
See it buried?
Just listen. We got to get that tire and wheel out of there.
Hold on.
Starting to come. See if you can get in it, Blake, and put it out of gear. It's starting to come.
What'd you just say?
Come on, there's nothing in there.
We'll let something come out until you get fucking blasted.
Come on, open the door, put it in neutral.
Is the right-hand drive?
It smells just as bad as the other one.
Really?
Thing smells good. Okay, turn the wheel to the right, 3 clicks.
Oh fuck! Sorry, badger hole.
Come on. Just turn it 3 times to the right and then shut the door. You don't have to set in it.
Oh, I can't get in there to get that, man. I'm stepping in a honey badger hole.